How to register a Green Dot Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Green Dot Card registration and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, greendot.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. At the top right, you're gonna see the option of register or activate. Click on that option. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily register for your account. Green Dot bank accounts and debit cards are a powerful way to manage your money and make it easy to do things like shop online or in store everywhere Visa card is accepted. Now I have to fill this. Go ahead and type in 16-digit number and then type in the expiration date, then type in the CVV. After you provide all the details, check in for the option of I'm not a robot for the verification purpose. Then you can go ahead and click on next. And just with that, you have registered for a Green Dot Card account. So this way you can easily activate or register Green Dot Card account online. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.